Tradition echoed through the bagpipes' powerful beats. Let's give a huge round of applause as we welcome bagpipe students for a presentation.
Our era and your era, there is a lot of difference. There's a lot of change. And I want my students to be future ready. And for that, we as teachers, we as educationists, we don't have to just teach facts. We have to also share as to what they can do and how they can benefit and how, because I can see the future is sitting in front of me. You are the future of our country, and I'm very confident that you, dear students, will take our country to yet another heights.
Get involved in the civic situation in India. It's not just about following your career, it's about being a great citizen and a great patriot. So with that, once again, wishing you all a very happy Republic Day.
The people of India.
Having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice.
I'm not a relic of 1950. I'm a promise renewed every day. I was born from suffering so that suffering would not be repeated. I was written after colonial chains so that no Indian would wear invisible ones. Remember, when equality weakens, democracy limps. When exploitation rises, freedom shrinks. When remedies close, tyranny enters. I do not ask to be worshipped. I ask to be followed.
जब बिजली कड़कड़ कड़केगी हम देखेंगे.
हम अहले सफा मरदूदे हरम, हम अहले सफा मरदूदे हरम मसनद पे बिठाए जाएंगे, सब ताज उछाले जाएंगे, सब तख्त गिराए जाएंगे, हम देखेंगे.
उठेगा अनल हक का नारा, उठेगा अनल हक का नारा, जो मैं भी हूँ और तुम भी हो, और राज करेगी खल के खुदा, जो मैं भी हूँ और तुम भी हो, हम देखेंगे, हम देखेंगे.
So dear patriotic, emotional Indian, my appeal to you on the 77th Republic Day is to go back to the Constitution and realize it was drafted not by an engineer, not by a doctor, not by an IAS officer, it was drafted by a lawyer. And the law is based on two tenets, ethics and logic, which is why it holds sacrosanct across all time changes. So my dear emotional Indian, I want you to become a sensible Indian today. I want you to question, I want you to pair the facts of every narrative that you hear. I want you to connect the dots and be smart.
The Republic Day commemorates the decision made by a country divided by language, religion, caste, and economic inequality to bind itself together through a shared constitution.
The Constitution of India is not merely a legal document which marked cessation of dominion of India and the birth of a republic. Independence united India territorially, but it did not unify India socially or economically. The Constitution addressed this unresolved reality by providing a common political framework.
Let us appreciate their energy, confidence, and perfect synchronization as they inspire us with a powerful display of unity in motion. Please welcome our support staff with a big round of applause.
सुप्रभात एवं जय हिंद। परंपरा संग आधुनिक सोच, यही भारत की सच्ची योज। संविधान हमारा पथ प्रदर्शक, लोकतंत्र का उज्जवल दर्शक। आओ मिलकर शपथ लें, नव भारत को आगे ले जाएं।
You know, as I watch all the celebrations of the Republic Day, somewhere I feel that, patriotism does not always wear a uniform or carry a slogan. Sometimes it lives in the secret sacrifice, in giving more than seeking the applause, and also leaving this country stronger and better than what we found. Of course, as I'm here to express the vote of thanks, I would like to thank the tricolor, which has wrapped all of us in courage, with courage, prosperity, and peace. I think everyday act of us should imbibe these values. A very happy Republic Day to all of you. Jai Hind.